31 to 35. To 35 college X 1500 students, boys and girls. And again we have two streams, science and commerce. And in boys science group, you are given information about those candidates who like red color, red and green color, red and yellow combination. So your table something looks like this. Boys and girls, again commerce and science, again candidates who like red, green, yellow, red and green, red and yellow, something like that. So total you are going to have 4 vertical lines with different combinations. Simple only, but to arrange the data it might take some time. Once you get the table, then it is fine. Next, 36 to 40. Number of laptops of 3 different brands sold by 7 stores in 2012. So 7 stores, and then for each store you have 3 companies, 7 3 is 21. So 5 questions based on 21 numbers, and numbers are already there. Need not worry about identifying the number, because numbers were already written there. You need not worry about it. So should be simple. Next, comparatively 31 to 35 and 36 to 40, you can complete 36 to 40 first, because numbers were directly written there. Next, 41 to 45, approximation, square, percentage, and then under root. But still okay, under root values, look at the numbers, 900, 256, 576, 289, all are easy. And then squares also, 17 square, 26 square, and then 6 square, easy to calculate. So 41 to 45 is also simple. 46 to 50 quadratic, 51 to 55 aptitude, 56 to 60 table, total population, population between 21 to 30, employed, and then Hindi speaking population. Simple table only, nothing much complicated here. So 56 to 60 is also simple. 61 to 65, percentage of research journals and then research papers, both were given in separately. Yeah, percentages are given. So when you want to complete, when you want to look at the order for data analysis and interpretation, first of all I will choose 36 to 40 first, and then 56 to 60, 61 to 65, and then interpretation 31 to 35. Meanwhile you can complete whenever you feel bored, then you can complete 41 to 45. Approximations are also good. So anyway, 46 to 50, that's fine. Aptitude koncham pedda question laga unnai. I see 4 to 5 lines questions are there. So I will complete at the end, because it might take some time for understanding the question. బారుగా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి టైం పడతాయి, కాబట్టి ఇవి లాస్ట్లో వేసుకుంటా. ఓకేనా? రైట్. నౌ in college X, 1500 students, boys and girls, are in the ratio 8:7. Total 15 parts, and then 1500, each part is 100. So number of boys are 800 and girls are 700. Right? Each one like one or more colors, red, green, yellow. Out of boys, 45% study science, 45% of boys, 45%. Half and minus 10%. 50% is 400, 5% is 50, 40, 400 minus 40, 360. So 360 are those candidates who like science, and remaining 440 like commerce. Now, out of the boys studying science, 15% like only red. This is science. Here also I will write science for girls. Candidates who like red, only red. How much is that? 15% of this. 10% is 36. Half is 18, which is 54. And then 1/4 like only red. Only red and green. Combination you have red, green, yellow, red and green. 1/4 of this number, half and half, which is 90. And then 1/6 like only red and yellow. Red and yellow, 1/6, which is 60. And then green and yellow, and then all colors, red, green, yellow. Now 1/6 is over. 10% like all the three colors, 10% of this 36. Out of the boys studying commerce, 1/11 like only red, 1/11 which is 40, only red. 1/4 like red and green, red and green, 1/4 which is 110. 1/5 like red and yellow, 1/5 of that, take 1/10 and double it, 88. 1/10 is 44, double it, you will get 88. 1/8 like all the three colors, 1/8 of this, 55. This is not given. Now, out of the girls, 40% study science. 40% of this number, 280, remaining 420. And the girls studying science, 10% like only red, 10% only red, 28. Where are we? 1/7 like only red and green, 1/7 which is 40. 1/5 like only red and yellow, 1/5, take 1/10 and then double it, 56. 15% like all the three colors, 15%, 10% is 28, half is 14, 28, 14, 42, all the three colors. Like out of the girls studying commerce, 1/6 like only red, 1/6, 70. 1/7 like only red and green, 1/7 which is 60. 1/3 like red and yellow, 1/3, 140. 1/10 like all the three colors, which is 42. This information is not given. 200, 312, right, still you have some information. Okay, come on. 31. What percent of the total number of students, boys and girls, studying science or commerce, like all the three colors? What percentage? All the three colors. All the three colors. Let me calculate number here. 30, 50, 80, 80, 80, 160, and then let me add the other number, 6 and 5, 11, 13, 15, 160, 15, 175. Out of total 1500. Percentage rate, so into 100. 10% of denominator, 150. Still you need to add 25. 1% is 15, right? 2% is 30. So answer should be more than 11%, but less than 12%. How many are there? Only one, 11 2 by 3%. Next. (32) How many girls studying commerce do not like red color? Do not like red color. From this you can subtract, out of total girls who study commerce, subtract those who like red color. Will give you those who do not like red color. ఇష్టం లేని వాళ్ళు కావాలి అంటే మొత్తం నుంచి ఇష్టపడే వాళ్ళని తీసేస్తే సరిపోద్ది కదా. బాయ్స్ ఎంత కౌంట్ కావాలి అని అంటే మొత్తం నుంచి ఆడవాళ్ళని బయటకు పంపిస్తే సరిపోద్ది కదా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే. ఇష్టం లేని వాళ్ళు కావాలి అని అంటే ఇష్టం ఉన్న వాళ్ళని తీసేయటం అంతే. కమాన్, దోస్ హూ లైక్ రెడ్ కలర్, రైట్. రెడ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఫోర్త్, ఫిఫ్త్ అండ్ ద లాస్ట్ వన్. రెడ్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉందో ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మొత్తం ఇచ్చారు. సో అవుట్ ఆఫ్ గర్ల్స్ హూ స్టడీ కామర్స్, those who like red color are 70, 60, 140, 42. 60, 140, 200, 70, 42, 112, plus 200, 312. Out of 420, 312 students like rate, remaining do not like rate. So 420 minus 312, which is 108. Were you asked about number or percentage? Just a number, 108, that's it. Next, 33. If the number of boys studying commerce who like green color is 224, how many boys studying in commerce like only yellow color? Only yellow color. Right. Those who like green color, boys who study commerce. Boys who study commerce. This one. And you are given data about green color, those who like green color. So this is the one. Green is here. This is also given. And the last one is also given. So whatever the values that I have rounded here, sum of these four numbers is equal to 224. Yes or no? When you add everything, that should be equal to 440. We already have 40 here and we already have 88 here. Sum of these two numbers is 128 plus rounded off numbers. How much is that? 224 plus those who like yellow color only. Boys studying in commerce, those who like yellow color only. Let it be X. When you add everything, that must be equal to 440. Is that clear? 100, 200, 300, 20, 20, 40, 340, 8 plus 4, 12, 340 plus 12, 352. And X value will be equal to difference of these two numbers. How much is the difference? 88. So 88 boys who study commerce like only yellow color. 88. Next, 34. Total number of girls who like only yellow color is 150% of the total number of girls who like only red color. Total number of how many girls like green color? How many girls like green color? Okay. Now, this is about girls. Do you have any particular stream here? Any particular stream? No. Let's do it separately. Instead of adding every number, let's do it separately. Science and then commerce. Girls who like yellow color is 150% of girls who like only red color. Only red color. Only red color. Girls who like only red color and then who study science are 28. 50% of this 14. 28 plus 14 42. So girls who study only yellow color, here it becomes 42. And here this is also 150% of this number. 50% of this is 35. Add 70 and then 35. That gives you 105. Now what is your question? How many girls like green color? How many girls like green color? Now green comes here and that should be here and then last two. Rounded off numbers. I need sum of these four numbers. And you know that sum of all the numbers is equal to 420. And out of 420, if you can subtract 70, 105, 140, you will be left with these four numbers only, right? And that is what we actually need. Are you getting? Now, 140, 105, 245, 245 plus 70, 315. Take difference of 420 and then 315. That gives you 105. This is about girls who study science graduates, science background. But you also, commerce. Like this, you also need to do it for science. Science also. Girls kada mattam adigaru ikkada. Number of girls annaru gani stream cheppala. Science stream a commerce stream rendu chesi cheyalsinde. Tappadu. Come on. Here also you need this number and this number and this one and this one. When you want sum of these four numbers, subtract 28, 42, 56 from 280. 28, 42, 70, 70, 56. 126. 126 and then 208 difference. 280 and then 126. How much is the difference? 154. Sum of these two numbers is your answer. 105 plus 154. 259. Next 35. Out of boys studying science, number of boys who like only green color is 1/6 of the boys who like red color. What is the total number of boys studying science who do not like yellow color? Who do not like yellow color? This is about science. Who do not like yellow color? So we want this number, this one, and then this one. Circle numbers. You want sum of these four numbers. And then, so you need to fill this gap. Those who like green color only green color. Now this is also given. Number of boys who like only green color is 1/6 of boys who like red color. Who like red color? Who like red color is 54, 90, 60, 36. You need to add these values. Hold it. 54, 36, 90, 90, 180, 60, 240. 1/6 of 240, 40. So this gap is 40. How much is sum of given numbers? 2. ఇప్పుడే ఇది తప్ప మిగిలిన ఎన్ని? 240. Now you need sum of circle numbers, right? From 360 you need to subtract 54, 40, 90. Then you will get your answer. 54 plus 40, 94. 94 plus 90, 184. So you need to subtract 184 from 360. 184 from 360. How much is that? 176. 176. Right? Next. (36 to 40). Question number 36. What is the difference between number of laptops of all the three brands sold by L and P together? L and P. All brands together for company L and then P. It asked about difference. L and P. Identify the numbers. What is this? 150, 180, 270. Write the numbers first. 270, 180, 150. This is for L. And for P, last three numbers, how much is that? 340, 320, and then 200. What is that you asked about? Difference. You asked about difference. Yes or no? Right. 270, 180. 450. 450. 70, 80, 150 కదా క్లియర్ కదా అది అందుకని 450 ప్లస్ 150 600. ఏం చేయాలి? మైనస్ తీసేయాలి అంతే కదా. 300, 300. Add everything. 260. If the price of each laptop, Lenovo laptop, is 35,000 and each HP laptop is 42,000 and the price of each Dell is 38,000, by what percent are the total sales of store N more than the total sale of store K? L and K. Rounded off to nearest integer. It asked about total sale. Lenovo is 35,000 and then HP is 42,000, Dell is 38,000. This is difference between N and K. N and K, these two. Now ఎన్, అదే ఎక్కువ తక్కువ ఎక్కువ, టైం టేకింగ్ ఫర్ ష్యూర్. Come on, let's do it one by one. Lenovo laptops. How many are there for K? 190. And for N? 160. For K we have 30 more. 30 more. And these are all Lenovo laptops which cost 35. This is over. Now HP. Square. This is 130. And for N we have 220. 130 is how much less than 220? 90 less. 90 less. Minus 90 into 42. This is also over. Next, Dell. Triangle. How much is this? 260. For N, 280. 260 is how much less than 280? 20. 20 less. That of 38. Now this is what you need to calculate. Can I take 0 out for simplification purpose? 335's positive number 105. This is over. 942 times 42, 10 times minus 42, 420 minus 42, 378 minus 378. This is also over. 38 2 times 76 minus 76. Difference. నెగిటివ్ వచ్చినా కానీ లాస్ట్లో పాజిటివే కదా, ఏది ఏ మైనస్ బి తీసుకుంటాం, లాస్ట్లో బి మైనస్ ఏ వేయాలి. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్, డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ ఇట్. 105. టేక్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 105 ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ నెంబర్. సో హియర్ యుల్ హ్యావ్ 273. నౌ యూ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ దీస్ two numbers. 349. యూ జస్ట్ నీడ్ టు సీ ద నెంబర్ 349. వెర్ ఈస్ 349? ఏం అడిగారు? పర్సెంటేజ్ అడిగారా? By what percent are the total sale of store N more than K? వదిలిపెట్టడం బెస్ట్. 349 డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చింది, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి పక్కన. డివైడెడ్ బై డినామినేటర్. యూ నీడ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ డినామినేటర్. యూ నీడ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు వాట్? Total sale of store K. Total sale of store K. Store K, how much is this? 130. This is price of HP, right? How much is HP cost? HP 42. And then what is this? Lenovo 190. 19. Lenovo costs 35. And then Dell 260. 26 into 38. You need to take some of these numbers, take that here in denominator and then calculate percentage. చేయాలి మరి, తప్పదు, ఇంకా ఏం చేస్తాం. రైట్. 38. The number of Dell laptops sold by each store increased by 16% from 2012 to 2013. Wait. Dell laptops, each store increased by 16% from 2012 to 2013. This is 2012 data. Fine. And the number of Lenovo laptops sold by each store increased by 12% from 2012 to 2013. What was the total number of Dell and Lenovo laptops sold by stores K and O together in 2013? K and O. K and O. Right, this is for K and O, and this is about Lenovo and Dell and Lenovo. Dell increases by what percent? 16%, and Lenovo increases by 12%. K and O. These two. First let's do it for Dell. Triangle. How much is this? 260. And how much is this? 240. 340. 260, 340. 600. And 600 increases by 16%, or 600% of 16, 6 times of 16, 96. And Lenovo Diamond 190 here, 260 here, 450. and 450 increases by 12%, they said. 10% is 45, 1% is 4.5, 2% is 9, 45 plus 9, 54. You need to add everything. 600, 400, 1000. Take this 4 here, it becomes 100 and it becomes 50. 700, 800, 1200. Second option. Given data are in thousands, right? Next. What is the respective ratio between total number of HP laptops sold by stores J, K, L, M together and the total number of Dell laptops sold by the same stores together? J, K, L, M. J, K, L, M. And this is ratio between HP laptops and then Dell laptops. HP laptops. Square. 220, 130, 350, 350, 270, 620, 620, 300, 920. Numerator is 920 by denominator HP and then Dell. Dell. Triangle. 310, 260, 570, 180, 570, 180, 750, 750 plus 250, 1000. Cancellation with 8. Zero, zero cancel. Now you can go for cancellation with 4. Denominator is 25, so obviously numerator is 23. Total number of HP laptops sold by the all given stores together is by what percent less than the total number of Dell laptops sold by the all given stores together? Rounded off to nearest integer. వదిలేసి పక్కకి వెళ్ళటం బెటర్. ఆల్ స్టోర్స్ అన్నారు కదా, 7 ఉన్నాయి. ప్రతిదీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలి. దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ 3 digit numbers. You need to add 7 3 digit numbers. చేయకంటే ముందే చెప్పా, ఇప్పుడు చేస్తా చూడండి. లాస్ట్లో కూడా ఇదే ఫీలింగ్ వస్తుంది. Total number of HP laptops sold by the all given stores together is by what percent less than? First of all, you need to have HP and then Dell. For all stores together, how much percent less you are asked about? First, let me understand it. Now, ఇంతకుముందు ఆల్రెడీ ఈ 4కి ఏం చేసాం? యాడ్ చేసాంలే. ఏమేంటి? HP and Dell only, right? HP and Dell only. We have done it for 4. How much is numerator? 920 and denominator 1000. Now let's do it for remaining 3. HP square 220, 190, 410, 410 plus 340, 410 plus 340, 750. So to this number let me add 750. I'll do that later. Wait. And then Dell triangle for these 3 last 3, 280, 340, 620, 620, 320, 940. So this is 940. Now total, this is denominator 1940 and this is 1670. 1670. You're asked about percentage. How much percent less? 1670 is how much less than 1940? 270. 270 less. That of 1940. Percentage, right? So into 100. Now 10%, 194. 5%, 97. So 15% is equal to 291. But you have 270 here. Answer should be less than 50%. How many options are there? 3 are there. But 11 cannot be your answer, 12 cannot be your answer, 14 right answer. Ma 10% is 194. But you have 270. You have huge difference. 11 cannot be your answer because 1% is 19.4, which is near about 20. Which is near about 20. If your number is 20 more than this, you can go for 11% as your answer. Yes or no? If your number is 40 more than this, you can go for 12% as your answer. But how much is the nearest gap between these two numbers? 80. 80. 1% is 19.4. We will treat that as 20. If 20 is 1%, 80 will be 4%. So, answer 10% plus 4%, 14%. Next. Come on. 41. 3,000, 3,000, 6,000. Approximation only, right? Remember, 6,000. This is 560, 560, near about. And this is 240. 560, 240, 800. 6,000, 800. Divided by 36. 6,800 divided by 36. This is what you need to calculate. What is 100 times of denominator? 3,600. 200 times of denominator? 7,200. Right? And 6,800 is how much less than 7,200? 400. 400. Right? You need to subtract 400. Wait a minute. How many 36 will be there in 400? 10 times of this? 11 times of this? 11 times of this? Hey, near about 400 kada. So this value is 11 times less than 200. 11 times less than 200. How much is that? 189. What is this? How much is 17 square? Plus 289 minus 289? Huh? How much is this? 26 square. 676 minus 189. 289 minus 189? 100. 776. Now, how much is this? 2460. 10% is 246. You have 20%. 2 times of 246. 492. And then 11% of this. 10%? 130. 1%? 13. 130, 13? 143. You need to subtract. 143. And then question mark is here. This is what you need to calculate. And this is 67. Take these two. Left hand side becomes minus 67. 140, 60. 200. 10. So total you need to subtract 210. Answer 282. Now, how much is this? 1456 divided by 28. Take this negative number 139 to left hand side becomes plus 139. And this is what your answer. Right? Hold in. 100 times of this number? 50 times of this number? 1400. Still you have 56, right? And 56 is 2 times of this. So total this is 52. Add these two numbers. 191. Is it okay? Next. Now 44, right? This is 1518 divided by 46 plus 637 divided by 49. and then this is what you need to calculate. Come on. 10 times of this 460, 20 times 920, 30 times 46, 3 times 138, 138. So 30 times is 138, sorry, 3 times is 138, 30 times will be 1380. Apart from 1380, how much extra value you have? How much value you have? 138. That is near about again 3 times, right? Yes or no? So how much is this? 33. So total this value is 33. And then 49, 10 times 490. Difference between 637 and then 490. 147. 147. 3 times of this number. 10 times plus 3 times. 13 times. Total 46. Next. How much is this? 30? 16. 30 minus 16. 14 square. Our numerator is 14 square. And how much is this? 24. 17. 24 minus 17? 7 square. 14 square by 7 square is 2 square, which is 4. $51, right? Any particular question in 46 to 50? In a yoga class, there were 14 members. 4 members left the class and 6 new members joined. So how many will be there now? 16. If the average is decreased by 5 and the total decreased by 20. Let me take initial average is x and average got decreased by 5. Now it becomes x minus 5. What is your question? What is the new average? Let me take new average is x. Initial average becomes x plus 5. Because directly you will get x value. Now how many members you have initially? 14 members. Their average is x plus 5. So sum becomes 14 into x plus 5. And later 4 members left and then 6 members and there will be 16 members now. And whose average is x? Their sum becomes 16. What happened to sum? The total decreased by 20. So total difference is equal to 20. 14 5 times 70. 14x minus 16x minus 2x. Minus 2x goes to right hand side, becomes plus 2x. 14 5 times 70. Take 20 to left hand side, minus 20. 70 minus 20, 50. 2x is 50, x is 25. Is it clear, everyone? Next. A rectangular plot has a concrete path running in the middle of the plot parallel to the length of the plot. The rest of the plot is used as lawn, which has an area 242 square meters. If the width of the path is 5 meters, what is the length of the, and the length of the plot is greater than its breadth by 6 meters. What is area of the plot? Plot area. Rectangular plot. This is the one. And there is a road running in the middle of it parallel to its length. This is the road. ఈ మధ్యలో ఉన్నదాన్ని పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళలేం, మీకు ఏమన్నా ప్రాబ్లమా? మరి ఎందుకు దాని అంతా అట్లా సీరియస్గా చూస్తారు? మధ్యలో వేయాల్సింది పైన వేసాడు, తప్పేసాడని చూస్తున్నారు. నేనే కావాలని పైకి జరిపా, ఓకే కదా? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ రిమైనింగ్ ఏరియా? లాన్. హౌ మచ్ ఈజ్ లాన్ ఏరియా? 242. How much is width of this road? 5. And you have a condition again, length of the plot is 6 meters more than the breadth. If breadth is, total breadth is x, length becomes x plus 6. and you're asked about area of the plot area. Now, my basic point, forget about this for time being. Relation between length and breadth, forget about it. What is this 242? Lawn area, right? That is product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. Now, let me identify this as product of two numbers. I can write this as 2 into 121, and 121 is 11 into 11. So 242 is 2 into 11 into 11. So I will write this as 2 into 11, 22, and then 11. This is the only combination that you will get. Yes or no? So one of these should be length. One of these should be length. And you know that length is definitely more than breadth. So this is 22. And this is 11. Breadth is 16. Length is 22. Area is 22 into 16. 16 20 times plus 2 times. 16 20 times 320 plus 16 2 times 32. 320 plus 32 352. Adingale? Clear? Right. See, I don't want to use the traditional way where breadth is x, length is x plus 6, and this becomes x minus 5, and this area is 242. So total area is 242 plus road area, width is 5, length is x plus 6. So road area is equal to 5x plus 30. This is total area, and that should be equal to length into breadth, which is x square plus 6x. From this you need to get x value, solve the quadratic equation, and you need to get the value of x. Ante kada? X square plus x is equal to 272. X square plus x. A square near to this number 16. 16 square 256. 256 plus 16 272. X is 16. Breadth is 16. Length is 16 plus 6 22. Product of these two is your answer. That is a traditional method. I don't recommend that. Next, anyway, 53. In what respective ratio the two varieties of rice costing 32 rupees per kg mixed with 80 rupees per kg, so that by selling the mixture at 72 rupees per kg, 17% profit is earned. 17% profit. 117. 9 multiple. 9 multiple. Fine. Okay. There is a profit of, see, 32 rupees is cost price. 80 is also cost price. Okay? Now, so mixture should be also cost price, but 72 rupees is selling price. So from this, first of all, you need to calculate cost price. Thereby gained 17%. So total selling price becomes 117%, which is equal to 72. Okay? And you need to calculate 100% is how much. Both are 9 multiples. 9 13 times and 9 8 times. ఎందుకు రాసాం అది? పైత్యానికి పరాకాష్ట. ఓకే, నో డైరెక్ట్ కంపారిజన్. లేవు. కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ విల్ బి 72 into 100 by 117. This is your cost price. ఇప్పుడు క్యాన్సిల్ చేద్దాం. 9 8 times 13 times. How much is cost price of the mixture? 800 by 13. 13 is prime number. it should be a direct multiple of 13, otherwise you cannot cancel 13 here. This is not 13 multiple. Okay? So your mixture is 800 by 13. And what are the two initial numbers? 32 here, and then this is 80. And denominator is 13. I don't want to use fraction here, because if you use fraction it takes time. If I want to eliminate 13 from here, I need to multiply every number with 13. Yes or no? Right. 13, 32 times. 13, 32 times. 32 10 times. 32 3 times, which is 4, 1, 6. So here use 416. And then 80 13 times. 1040. This is 1040. Take the difference. This is 240, and the take difference here 384. Yes or no? Cancellation. Look at your options. Options are very close to each other. What is the difference here? Like 3 parts. Difference here, here, and here. So difference should be either 1 part or 2 parts or 3 parts max. What is difference between these two numbers? Difference ento cheppandi abba. 1. Is it 144 multiple? Is it 144 multiple? So difference cannot be 1 part. Let me take 2 parts. How much is difference? 144. 144. 72. Hey, edo teda kodutundi. 144. If it is 2 parts, 1 part is 72. Is it 72 multiple? Is it 72 multiple? No. If difference is 3 parts, what about 1 part? 4, 8. Is it 48 multiple? Yes. If it is 5 parts, definitely that will be 8 parts. Because you know the difference is 3 parts, right? Amma? Adangala. First option? First option 3 difference in the. Okay. Ada answer? Kaadu kada. First number is 5. If your first number is 5, your second number will be definitely 3 parts more than 5. That is 8. 5 is to 8. Okay. Next 54. Ten years ago. ఎవరు? జావా కాదు మీ పాడే జయ. ఆ లాస్ట్లో చూడండి. జావా అంట జావా. అదే ఇంజనీరింగ్లో చదువుకున్నాయి, ఏం చదువుతున్నామో తెలియకుండా చదివాము. ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే. ఆమె జయానో జావా కూడా అర్థం కాకుండా చదువుతున్నారు మీరు. అక్కడ అలానే రాసి ఉంటుంది. ఆ లాస్ట్లో చూడండి, అక్కడ అదే రాసింది అని అంటారు. అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. లాస్ట్లో ఏముంది? అక్కడ జయ ఉంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ జయ. 10 years ago, Jaya's age was equal to Simran's present age. Simran. She was my favorite heroine once upon a time. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు లేరబ్బా, వయసులో లేను, వయసు అయిపోయింది. కమాన్. 10 years ago, Jaya's age was equal to Simran's present age. So age difference between these two persons is 10. When was that? Any time. Always difference should be, difference between ages between Jaya and Simran should be 10 years. Next, if the sum of Jaya's age 8 years from now, J plus 8, and Simran's age 12 years ago, 12 years ago, is equal to 90. And who is elder out of Jaya and Simran? Jaya. Jaya. How many years younger? Elder? 10 years. So in place of Jaya, can I replace and write Simran plus 10? Yes. And if Komal is, what is Komal's 13 years Komal's age 13 years ago. This is what you asked about. If Komal is 9 years younger to Simran. Fine. First of all, 2 years. 18. 18 minus 12? 6. Take 6 to right hand side. 96. 84. 2s is 84. S is equal to 84 by 2, which is 42. And Komal age is 9 years younger to Simran. So Komal's age must be 42 minus 9, which is 33. And you're asked about Komal's age 13 years back. Present age of Komal is 33. 13 years back, 20. Right. Answer is 20. 55. 1600 rupees were invested for 4 years in Scheme X, which offers simple interest at the rate of 12% per annum. 4 years at the rate of 12%. How much percent you will get? 48%. Minus 2%. Half? 800. Minus 2% in the sense 32. 800 minus 32. 768. 1600 plus 768. How much you will get? 2368. Yes or no? Now, the amount received after 4 years, this one, and some additional money, this much, is invested in Scheme Y for 2 years, which offers compound interest compounded annually at the rate of 20% per annum. If the compound interest received from Scheme Y after 2 years is 1232, what is the additional money invested in Scheme Y apart from the amount received from Scheme X? This is what amount received from Scheme X, and to this number you are adding something, and this is invested in Scheme Y, which is for 2 years and at the rate of 20% per annum compounded annually, right? And you are given interest. Interest is 1232. 1232 కదా interest. 32. 432 answer. 432 answer. ఇప్పుడే చేయటం నేను కూడా ఇంతకు ముందు చేయాల బట్టి అయితే రాలా. Answer is 432. You want me to know? You want me to explain how? Just by looking at the number. Yes? After adding x rupees to this number, ideally speaking, it should become a round figure. Add చేసే దేనికి రౌండ్ ఫిగర్ చేయడానికే కదా. Yes or no? This ends with 68. Your number should end with 00. So x should end with 32. There is only one option, 432. That's my logic. Not satisfied? మీ కర్మ అంతే, మిమ్మల్ని ఎవడు బాగు చేయలేడు. కామన్. At the rate of 20% per annum, first year you will get 20%, right? Yes or no? Second year you will get 20% and 20% of 20. How much is that? Total 44%. Interest received from Scheme Y after 2 years is going to be 44%, and which is equal to 1232. Now look at this. 44% is equal to 1232, and from this you need to calculate 100%. Divided by 11, 4%. Divided by 11, 1. 2. Hey, 1 and 13, 1 2. 4% is 112. 28 times? 28 times, right? Yes or no? 100% will be equal to 2800. 3688 plus x is equal to 2800. X is equal to difference between these two numbers, 432. సార్ బాగా చెప్పాడు కదా కదా. For these type of questions, remember, when you add something to this, ideally it becomes a round figure. ఆ లాజిక్ ఒక్కటి చాలు. ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్కడొచ్చినా సరే చెక్ చేసుకోండి. యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చే నెంబర్ రౌండ్ ఫిగరే ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఒక్క లాజిక్ చాలు. Now 56 to 60. Population abstract of country M. Okay. The total population for 6 states, population between 21 to 30, employed, Hindi speaking population, come on, straight data, 56. What percent of population from states P and Q together is in the age group 21 to 30? P and Q, 21 to 30, how many are there? 950. And you asked about percentage, 950 out of 8,600. You asked about percentage, so into 100. We'll get answer from denominator. 10% is 860, but you have 950. 950 is how much more than 860? 90. Yes or no? This is 10%. And 1% is 86. You need to add 90, which is near about 86 and more than 86. So answer should be close to 11% and more than 11%. How many options are there? Only one. 11 2 by 43%. Next, what is the respective ratio of urban and rural population among total population of states? If the respective ratio of urban to rural population among the population of state Q is 3:7 and that of state R is 5:2. What is the total number of rural population in these two states together? Rural, second one. That is the second number in your ratio. For state Q, what is the ratio given? 3:7. Total how many parts? 10 parts. So this is equal to 10 parts. What is one part? 360. How many rural population people are there? 7 parts. So that is 7 into 360. Don't do it. Let's write the number itself. That's it. Next. And state R has ratio 5:2. Total how many parts are there? 7. 7 parts is equal to 4,200. 1 part is equal to 600. And rural people are 2 parts. That is 2 into 600. What is your question? What is the total number of population? Right. This is what you asked about. 300 7 times. 2,100. 76 times. 420. 1,200. Your answer should end with 20. How many are there? Only one. 3720. Next 57 over 58. What is the difference between total employed people from states S, T, V together? Last 3. And the total unemployed population from these 3 states together. Unemployed. Difference between employed and unemployed. Now, what is total population here? 6,000, 10,000, 14,000 plus 1,500. 15,500. This is about total population, 15,500. And employed people, 5,000, 5,600 plus 4,400, 10,000. 10,000 plus 4,500, 14,500. So 14,500 are employed. And total population is 15,500. Difference is 1,000. So these 1,000 people are unemployed, right? Yes or no? And you asked about difference between these two. 13,500. Next. What percent of the total population for states Q, S, T together? Q, S, T together speaks Hindi language, right? Q, S, T. Now 2,500, 5,000, 7,000, 11,000, 800, 11,800. Now you need to calculate 11,800 as a percentage with respect to total population from these 3 states together. 4,000, 6,000, 10,000, 13,000, 16, 600, 700, 1300, 14,300, 14,300. They're very close to each other, right? Look at your options. Look at your options. Options are nearby 80. So let me directly go for 80%. 80%. How will you get 80%? Denominator minus 20%. 10% is 1430. 20% is 2860. Instead of 2860, I'll subtract 3000 and then I will add 140. Is that okay? If I subtract 3000 from this, you'll have 11,300 and then add 140. Add 140 to this, 440. So 80% is 11,440. But your numerator is 11,800. Still you need to add 360 to make it 11,800. What is 1%? 140. 140. Near about 150. How many 150s are there? So answer is 2% and above. Total value 82% and above. Answer should be more than 82 but less than 83. Yeah, there is only one number. More than 82, less than 83. Next. Out of the total employed population in all the given states, 40% are women and out of them 15% were married. 6. How many employed women are not married? So how many women are there? 40%. Out of 40, 15% are married. Out of 40, 15%. How much is 15% of 40? 6. So 6% got married. Remaining 34%. So you need to calculate 34%. 34% of what? Total population. The total employed. Now 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see 5 4,000s. 20,000. 23,000. Thousands places are over. How many thousands we have? 23, 24, 25, 26, 100. 26,100. And this is what you need to calculate. Answer should be 9 multiple. 9 multiple. No. No. Yes. రెండు ఉన్నాయి. కమాన్, తప్పదు ఇంకా చేయటం అంతే. %40 minus 6% or 30% plus 4 also is fine. 10% 2610. 30% into 3. This number into 3. 0, 3, 8, 7. 30%. Plus 4%. Wait. If this is 30%, what about 3%? 783. What about 1%? 261. Your answer should end with 4. 8874. Right. So the first pie chart represents what? Amma? Journals. Journals. How many are there? So total journals are 18,400. And the second one represents research papers. And how many are there? 28,600. Now, question number 61. What is the respective ratio between number of research papers published by S and the number of research journal published by R? Paper versus paper. Kinda. Yavaru? Yes. S is how much percent? 16% of what? 286. 0000 equal, right? I don't want to do that. And then for R journals, R 22. 22% of journal is 184. 22 13 times 130 54 4 8 2 times 8 20 3 times hold. అయిపోయింది కదా ఆన్సర్. 26/23. 26/23. hold it. This is what we have. Yes or no? Right? This is prime number. Is this 13 multiple? Your numerator should be a multiple of 13 and there is only one option. Your numerator should be a multiple of 13. There is one option. Close. Next. కాకపోతే అది చేసిన తర్వాత రాకూడదు, చేయక ముందు రావాలి. Come on. 62. The number of research journals published by R. Research journals published by R. R 22%. 22% of 184. Is what percent less than research papers published by the same company? Research papers 20%. 20% of what? 286. Yeah, you have to do it. తప్పదు. పర్సంటేజ్ కదా. హోల్డ్. వాట్ పర్సెంట్ లెస్? దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్, అంతేనా? వాట్ పర్సెంట్ లెస్? దిస్ ఈస్ 22 multiple. Can I write this as 22 into 13? 22 into 13. Can I do that? 20 13 times 260. So I'll write this number as 22% of 260. This is how much less than this? 22 కామనా? పోయింది, తీసేయండి, ఇంకా దీని గురించి సంబంధం లేదు, ఇంకా అయిపోయింది. 184 is how much less than 260? 76. కరెక్టే. Out of 260 into 100, 10%, 26, 20%, 52, 30%, 78. So 30% is 78, but you need to have 26 only. In the sense you need to subtract 2%. Out of denominator 1% is 2.6. So this is not even 1%. So answer is less than 30 but more than 29. How many are there? Only 1. The percentage calculate చేయకుండా number మార్చనంతే. A% of B is same as B% of A. Use that. Next, what is the difference between the number of research papers and research journals published by company U? U. Difference. U ఎంత అక్కడ? 14%. ఇక్కడ ఎంత? 18. So that is 14% of 18400 and 18% of 28600. What is that your question? అమ్మా, డిఫరెన్స్ అంతే కదా. అయినా ఇది కూడా పెద్దగానే వచ్చిందిలే. లెట్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్. వెయిట్, ఏదో అది కూడా కింద పెద్ద క్యాలిక్యులేషనే. 14%. అబ్బో, ఇందాకటిదే బెటర్. 14% ఆఫ్ 10,200 ప్లస్ 4% ఆఫ్ 28,600. 10% plus 4%. 10% is 1020, 1% is 102, 4% is 408, 1% is 286, which is 14 less than 300. 4% in the sense into 4, that will be 56 less than 1200, which is 1144. 2572. ఈ ఎలా వచ్చినాయో కావాలి, అంతే కదా. This number minus 18% of 28,600 minus 14% of 18,400. This is what you have, right? Now I want to write 18% as 14% plus 4%. This one I want to write it as 14% of 28,600 plus 4% of 28,600. Can I do that? Minus 14% of 18,400. As I have a 14% here, this also I want to convert it as 14%. Apart from 14, I still have 4%. 14% of this much minus 14% of this much will be equal to 14% of difference of these two. How much is that? 10,200. And then you have 4% of 28,600. అంటే ఇలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుంటే నంబర్లు చిన్నవి వస్తాయి, లేదంటే ఇక్కడ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్లు పెద్దవి అవుతాయి. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ కంఫర్టబుల్ విత్ దట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్, దట్స్ ఫైన్. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు కన్వర్ట్ లైక్ దిస్, యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ 18%. 10% ఈస్ 2860. 20%, 2 times of this, 5720. 5720. This is 20%. 2% is 572. You need to subtract it. And then 10% of this, 1840. You need to subtract it, minus. 1% is 184. 4%, 184 4 times. 180, forget about 4. 180 double, 360 double, 720, 4 4 16, 736, 1800, 700, 2500 plus 500, 3000, 3648. ఏదో తేడా వచ్చింది. ఆగండి. 25, 3148, 3148. From this you need to subtract 3148. ఆన్సర్ ఇందాక వచ్చింది ఎంతో, 25. అదే. నెక్స్ట్ 64. The number of research journals published by company Q is approximately what percent more than the research papers published by company T? The first one is journals and the second one is papers. Journals by Q. Q 18%. 18% of 18,400. And then T, papers, 10%. 10% of 28,600. Now, is approximately what percent more, they said. Now, I think we have already calculated 18% of this. ఇంతకుముందు చేసాం కదా. 37, 10% is 1840, 20% is 3680 minus 368, subtract 400, add 32, subtract 400, 3280, add 32, 280 plus 32, 312, and 10% of this is 2860. So the other one is 2860. Now your question is about what percent more? 3312 is how much more than this? You understand these numbers? 312 and then 140. This is 312 more than 3000 and this is 140 less than 3000. Add these two numbers, 452. So 3312 is 452 less, 452 more, that of 2860. You are asked about percentage, so into 100. Look at your options: 12, 32, 28, 22, 16. What about 10% of this? 286, more than that. 10% is 286.